Increasingly, healthcare involves the development of technology for diagnosis and monitoring, as well as surgery and other forms of treatment. Bioengineering encompasses many technologies: imaging, neuromuscular devices, and cardiovascular devices. Technology supports drug delivery and the development of artificial tissues and organs. Communications and computing are deployed in the delivery of healthcare. Advances in image processing, instrumentation, sensors, MEMS, biorobotics, bioinformatics, and nanotechnology are driving innovation.
Most universities, their program for bioengineering, program for biomedical engineering is in virtually most their schools are attracting the very best students in undergraduate level. So it is a very attractive, very promising area now is because it's bridging the biology and medicine with engineering and physical science, and lots of innovations are being made. So I think it's a great career opportunity for our young students.
There are a lot of exciting things going on in the computer field, and some of them we're confronted every day that we all run around now with our PDAs and our cell phones and electronic access to everything. I think that there is a good application in this for medical records, so a person could actually keep his or her own medical record on a chip or a PDA or whatever, which would help wherever you are in the world. If we could get a standard medical record, which we still don't have, that you could then go into an unknown hospital clinic or see a physician who would then know everything about your health history.
The neuroengineering field is starting to enter into clinical application. As an example, one of the major companies such as Medtronic, it's a big medical device company, they have a deep brain stimulation branch which has a couple $100 million in business per year. Therefore, it's entering clinical application currently.
Employers are looking for both technical and non-technical skills.
I think that in addition to really highly technically qualified people, they're looking for people with good soft skills. They've got to be able to do documentation, they've got to have good people skills, they've got to be able to communicate with people across cultural lines and across engineering disciplines, and that's really important. It's a great field for women. We really encourage women. We have a lot of training programs within some of the companies that I work with to teach across the board entry-level people to bring their skills up, but it's a great field for women. I'd like to see more women in engineering disciplines.
All regions of the world have different opportunities for students in the area of biomedical engineers. In particular, I would say that in the United States there is a 50% of possibility of either attending academia, working in academia, or working in a hospital environment. In developing countries in general, there is a high need of biomedical engineers at the hospital settings. Public health is a major issue in Latin America, and so most of the posts for biomedical engineers are in the hospital environment.
When it comes to the individual, the challenge is to find the right opportunity.
I think some of the biggest challenges and issues facing Gold members is that they don't really know where they fit in terms of the society or in terms of even their own careers. A lot of people are trying to figure out where they fit in, meet the right people, start learning the right things, and it's a very difficult time in their lives.
Future for the world for young people, I think, is spectacular. There are some short-term issues because the biomedical engineering revolution is happening so fast. The industries haven't matured as fast as young people have flocked to the area. But in the long run, this is the half-century of biomolecular sciences and technologies and biomolecular world, and the opportunities are going to explode greatly.